Thanks to your generosity, the Foundation for Thomas Health has had a direct impact on our community's health and well-being. One effort the Foundation has supported is getting national attention, a new specialized nursing unit called Baby Steps. It's the first of its kind in the Kanawha Valley and a model for the nation.
It's very much an accomplishment. I honestly don't know how to describe it because we've been given the tools to do what is best practice to take care of these babies.
Baby Steps is a hospital-based neonatal abstinence syndrome unit dedicated to babies born with drug exposure. The babies often cry and are very sensitive to noise and light. Now, these little ones can recover in a private room with their mom or primary caregiver. The rooms incorporate home-like features and are quiet, dark, and provide little stimulation. From the youngest patients to the oldest ones, and all those in between. The Foundation helps foster transformative care at St. Francis and Thomas hospitals. Sometimes it's as simple as providing comfort. Soon, new chemotherapy chairs will be delivered to the oncology department. A blanket warmer the Foundation purchased has already arrived. For cancer patients who spend a lot of hours getting their treatments, it truly helps.
Got her settled in and then brought this warm blanket over and just laid it on her, and her eyes got huge and she said, "Oh, it's so nice." So that was just a nice little thing and just kind of brought a smile to everybody's face. So that was just a really special moment.
There are a lot of special moments at Thomas Health.
Good morning, Miss Ethel. Good morning, Jennifer.
Ethel Lindbergh has been a cancer patient for several years. She says the kindness the medical staff shows her makes a difference.
Well, they tease me, and they get teased back. That's what it amounts to. But I think they started.
Have nice warm blankets.
Oh, is this something new?
It is.
They're just tops in my book. There's no dread about coming. I just really don't like treatments, but their kindness just helps.
Your gifts allow the Foundation to support educational advancements, such as the Junior and Senior Nursing Academy, a program where high school students like Lauren shadow a nurse to learn more about the healthcare field.
The nurses were very nice. They talked me through everything they were doing. They showed me what they were doing. They explained everything in a way that I would understand it, and that's what made it really cool to be able to see them actually doing their job, but they were explaining to me so I would understand at the same time.
I went to the graduation this past year of the Nursing Academy, and this young lady, I think from Logan County, got up and she wrote a speech that she wanted to give, and it just made my heart feel good because she said it was an opportunity she wouldn't have had otherwise, and how the exposure and how she wanted to go into nursing because of this.
The Foundation receives countless thank you notes from students, staff, and patients expressing their appreciation. One person wrote, "I wanted to thank you for this amazing opportunity for me to continue my education. I will continue to not only strive to be the best person and student I can be, but I will also continue to make Thomas Memorial Hospital proud through everything I do."
We fill the gap. We are really the bridge from the hospital to the community, and we want to be the bridge from the community back to the hospital. And I think the projects that we have been given the chance to fund over the past couple of years have shown that, and certainly historically as well.
Your contributions help promote health and wellness in our community and fill the gap between what patients need and what they can afford. Cotez's Cupboard is a new 24/7 emergency food pantry available to patients. The food pantry opened to address a need in the community. Staff recognized a food scarcity problem. Patients were being discharged and didn't have food at home.
This fills the gap for patients. I think they feel that It's just one thing less that they have to worry about for maybe just that day.
Another example of how your donations fill the gap is Grace's Closet. Mothers who are recovering from drug abuse can visit Grace's Closet and receive clothing, and baby necessities like diapers.
Sometimes these girls only have a desire for a better life. And I don't want them to get discouraged because they can't afford diapers, or because they don't have clothes to wear to an interview or to court. They have the willingness to walk through the door, and that's enough. So Grace steps in and helps. We had a girl come in here, and she just lit up and said, "I can pick out whatever I want." And I told her, yeah, and she said, "It feels like I'm going shopping. I haven't shopped for myself in years." I said, "Well, go shopping," and she did. It was just awesome for her to be able to look for things for her.
Thanks to your donations, Grace's Closet has tripled in size in just 1 year. Community businesses have even volunteered to help fold and sort clothing.
And when we see great work like what's done here at Grace's Closet, we're always excited and inspired to be involved.
Grace's Closet has come full circle. The moms it serves give back when they can by volunteering their time and bringing back the clothing their children have outgrown.
They're human just like we are. Their struggles may be a little bit different than ours, but they have a heart just like we have a heart. So it shows. It shows within our program when they come in and they talk about their struggles. They come in and they talk about their successes. But ultimately, like I say, when they come back in to help someone else while they're still in the program, shows they're just as human as any of us that sit in front of them or beside them.
Since its founding in 1989, the mission of the Foundation for Thomas Health has been to provide stewardship to our community's greatest needs.
I encourage anyone out there that can make any kind of difference, no matter how small you think it is. It makes a huge difference in the lives of our cancer patients. One warm blanket can make anybody smile. One comfortable chair can make anyone smile and can make someone's day a little bit better.
These are necessary services, and we can't just raise the price because we can't do that in healthcare. So we have to have other ways to do that. So generous people who give money to the foundation, people who attend the gala or come to some of the other events, that makes money for the foundation, which goes directly to care.
We love the foundation at Thomas O.B. Newborn Services. They have been absolutely instrumental in providing us with everything that we need as fellow human beings. We need to be that hand that lifts somebody else up.